Hi everyone. Woo! Has it been a crazy few days? So I just wanted to pop up here. I know I look like hell, but the trailer looks awesome. I'll flip the phone around here in a second. So we have been just going nutso. I've done quite a few videos straightening and making sure all of that was all under control. And Joe repairing that deck outside. He had to re-laminate. Well, shit, I'll just open the door. You see the dog laying on it. That whole deck had to get re-laminated. Oh my God, it was crazy. It was weeks and weeks and weeks of preparation. And let's see, we got new carpet. Here, I'll turn this around and just show you what we got going on. I'm just so excited. Tap, tap, right? Yes. Okay. So all of these cupboards have been gone through, even the closet, and even my bedroom closet has been gone through. And all the drawers, all the cupboards up there, everything has been pared down. I mean, we've been sitting still for nearly a year. We got up there this afternoon and got that all cleaned out. It's all straightened and ready to roll. All those cupboards were done. Everything is done. Even Joe did his closet. I did underneath my bench. Every drawer there has been gone through. I mean, it's just like gutted. I even took all my decorations down that I usually put up here along the edge. These are roll tacked down so they don't go anywhere. Got my little cat. If you see this, you see I got my little guy. Aww. So, anywho, pretty excited because today's Friday and we leave Monday at 5 a.m. That's our first trip. We're heading out to Oregon coast, Newport, I think. And we are going to go with a couple of friends, and it's going to be so much fun. I am just so excited. So excited. So I just wanted to give you a little update of what I've got going on because it's not so. So I don't know if you saw the little video of my ACEO cards. And I've showed them before. You know these little cards? These little 2.5 by 3 little guys? So I have these all loaded up on my fourth wall to sell them. These ones are just ones I've done over, I don't know, the last year or so. And because I've been doing these as ATC cards, which is artist trading cards, as opposed to ACEO, which is artist cards, editions, and CEO originals. So the ACEO, you sell them, and the ATC, you trade them. So anyway, I've had a blast doing that over the last few years. And so I have developed a new program that is called the Mile Marker Series. What I'm going to do is do these little ACEOs as we travel. So, like, expect one to get loaded up from the Oregon coast. And expect one to come from, on our way back, we're going to be hitting, like, McMinnville and places like that. Maybe I'll do one of the Spruce Goose. I don't know. It'll be fun. But, so, through our whole trip, I'm going to do these little ACEOs in every city, state. Not every city, but every state we go to. I don't know, 1, 2, maybe 3. I don't know. And I'm gonna post them and share with you where I'm at and where that came from and what we're doing. And, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so tired of sitting still. I am so tired of sitting still. So, that is the most exciting thing, is that we leave Monday. We'll be gone for a week or so, and then, down to Newsom Creek. And for 4th of July, I think is maybe where, I don't know if it's somewhere in that neck of the woods. Elk River, Elk City, I don't know, something like that. And then from there, we'll be at Hell's Gate for a little while, and then up to Wallace, and off we go into the wild blue yonder. I'm so excited. I'm so stinking excited. But I'm really excited about these ACEOs. I've been really trying to find a way that will inspire me to paint, share the journey, and then give you an opportunity to get your hands on originals. I've been so blessed that while I've been home, I've done, a handful of commissions and a ton, I guess there are commissions too, a ton of pet portraits. And it's just been amazing. So that's what's on the horizon, and I'm super excited, and I will keep sharing you with information. And there's one other thing, you artists out there, are you familiar with this Windsor Newton little postcard challenge that they've got going on? It's invert. Let me see. If I go like this, can you see? Oh, yep, there we go. So it's time to let your art travel. So basically what you do is you pull one of the postcards out of the little pack that they give you, and it's got a code on the back, and it's even prepaid mail. You do a little piece of art, and then they show it online and in a couple of galleries in London. How exciting. And after that, you go into a drawing. There's no like awards for like best art or anything, but you do go into a drawing for Windsor Newton art materials and things like that. And then when they're done, they auction them off for a fundraiser that they have for, I believe it's helping the homeless. I'm not sure. End of this whole thing, and they auction all these pieces of art, and it goes to a charity. I'll just say a charity for Windsor Newton. It's totally cool. I'm totally excited. Trying to reconnect. And what I'm going to do, because I want to share a little piece of Idaho. This is a photo my husband took. It's in Donnelly, Idaho. And this is the first run. This is my rough draft, or my first draft. I have the actual postcard right here. I don't know if you can see it very well. So I've got it sketched out. So I think I'll probably record that and then do like a speed share of me painting the second time around. But I have to be honest with you, I'm pretty happy with those frickin' clouds. Isn't that awesome? I mean, toot my own horn, I guess, but I'm pretty happy with that. I dripped some water on it, but here's the photograph, that Joe took. I'm not going to be doing that little blop of, I don't know what that is, woods, logs or whatever. But yeah. So, ACEOs, Windsor Newton, art's going to go to London. If you've got any questions on that, I'll send you a link, because all you got to do is purchase anything Windsor Newton, and while supplies last. I got mine from Spokane Art Supply, but while supplies last, you get the free little kit, and there's like quite a few postcards in there. They give you all these free postcards. I'm like, really? I mean, putting my art and sending it to London is pretty cool, but this whole getting all these postcards, and it's great paper. I'm pretty impressed with the paper. It's, I think, 30% cotton. It's amazing. I don't think I've ever tried a percentage of cotton before, and I like the way it lifts. Doing the clouds was super easy, super easy. Okay, so not a whole lot of people here. I didn't tell anybody I was going live. I just got a wild hair up my ass. Decided to jump on because I'm just loving our new chair covers, our new carpet, how clean and fresh. It's like having a brand new RV all over again. And so proud of the work that I've been doing on the inside and Joe on the outside. It's the end of the day. I was going to cook dinner and I went, fuck it, I don't want to cook. So Joe ordered a pizza. Yay. So Anyway, I love you all so very, 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 very much. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.